So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for data analytics with Python, week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is, in a two-way ANOVA, if SSA equal to 180, SSB equal to 120, SSAB equal to 60, then SSE equals, so these are the option, and the answer of our first question is D, cannot be determined. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following designs is the only design capable of detecting interaction effects? So these are the option, and the answer of our second question is C, factorial design. And now let's go to our question number 3. In randomized block design RBD, each treatment appears, so these are the option, and the answer of our third question is A, once in each block. And now let's go to our question number 4. In a regression SSR, sum square regression equal to 200, number of independent variable equal to 5, SSE, sum square error is equal to 60, total number of observation is equal to 16. What is the F statistics? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is D, 6.67. And now let's go to our question number 5. Least squares method minimizes. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C, summation residuals square. And now let's go to our question number 6. A general linear model can include transformed predictors z1, z2. These represent, so these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is C, any function of original predictors. And now let's go to our question number 7. In randomized block design RBD, the purpose of blocking is to, so these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is B, remove nuisance variation. And now let's go to our question number 8. In simple linear regression, the coefficient B slope represent, so these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B, change in Y for a 1 unit change in X. And now let's go to our question number 9. What is the purpose of this following command? So this is the command, and these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A, to read an Excel dataset into a pandas data frame. And now let's go to our question number 10. If the 95% confidence interval for beta 1 does not include 0, then, so these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C, slopes is statistically significant. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.